Method overloading. Method overloading is a feature that allows a class to have multiple methods in the same name but with different parameters. If we get an example, there's a main class, that means public class myself. Inside the main class, there are two methods. First is public int add with two parameters. It means int num1 and int num2. At the same time, there's another method with the same name but with three parameters. Method overloading rules. First, overloading method must have same name. Second, overloading method must have different parameter list, or overloading method must have different parameter types. Method overloading does not consider about return type.
Why return types not considered when method overloading? When the program is compiling, compiler finds out two methods with same name and same parameters, which is a violation of method overloading rules. Java compiler follows method overloading rules. So it reports an error saying the compiler or the JVM cannot choose which methods to invoke when 12th and 13th lines are executed, even though the return value is assigned to an integer in line 12. In the first picture, there are two print methods. The first print method is accepting an integer and the second print method is accepting an double. So, these two methods are following the method overloading rules. In the second picture, there are two print methods which are accepting integers in both their parameter lists. Although their parameter names are different, the JVM is looking for only the parameter type. So, these two methods are violating method overloading rules. In the first picture, there are two add methods. Both of these methods are accepting two integers as parameters. Method overloading rule says overloading methods should have same name and different parameters or different parameter types. In that case, these two methods are violating method overloading rules. So, these methods are wrong. In this class, we have two add methods. The first add method is accepting an integer as first parameter and a long value as the second parameter. The second add method is accepting a long value as first parameter and an integer value as the second parameter. In the main method, we are passing two integers to add method, but it gives us an error. The reason is these two add methods are capable of accepting integer values. So we have to declare one value as long. In that way, we can call to one add method which is accepting an integer as first parameter and a long value as the second parameter. If we declare the first value as long and the second value is as an integer, the program is executing the second add method which is accepting a long value for the first parameter and an integer value for the second parameter.
Now let's look into type promotion. Here the picture depicts how this process goes on. Type promotion is an automatic type conversion from a lesser base type to a greater one. Here there are two print methods that one method accepts two integers and the other accepts two byte values. In main method, we call into print method with two short values. But there's no method that accepts two short values. So short values are automatically converted to int values and JVM executes the print method which is accepting two integers.